Use the quadratic formula to solve the equation 5x squared plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Give your answer in the form p plus or minus root q all over 5, where p and q are integers. So the quadratic formula, okay, is x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So this is given to you in the formula books at GCSE, and I believe as well, yeah, at A level. So yeah, you don't have to worry about memory for higher tier, but yeah. Okay, so a is the coefficient of x squared, so a is equal to 5. B is the coefficient of x, so b is equal to 2. And c is our constant term, which is minus 1 or negative 1. Okay, plugging these into here, what am I going to get? I'm going to get x equals minus b, so minus 2, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so that's going to be 2 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 5, times c, which is minus 1, so be careful there, all over 2 times a, so that'd be 2 times 5, which is just 10, okay, on the bottom. So x equals minus 2 plus or minus the square root of, so 2 squared is 4, 4 times 5 is 20, times 1 makes 20, a negative times a negative makes a positive, times a positive again makes a positive. So we got 4 plus 20, or 4 at 20, all over 10. I'm now going to simplify this, so x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus the square root of 24 all over 10. Can this be simplified? Well, yes, I can, because root 24 is a third that can be simplified. So root 24, yeah, just doing it to the left here, is equal to root 6 multiplied by root 4, or root 4 times root 6. The square root of 4 is just 2, so we have 2 times root 6, which of course I can write it as just 2 root 6, so 2 lots of root 6. So I can rewrite this as minus 2 plus or minus, okay, 2 root 6 all over 10. Everything is divisible by 2, so dividing through everything by 2, we get x equals minus 1 plus or minus the square root of 6 all over 5, okay? Where in this case, p is equal to minus 1 and q is equal to 6, okay? And that will give us, yeah, two distinct solutions, one with a positive, one with a negative, okay? So we have x equals minus 1 plus root 6 all over 5. And obviously the second solution would be, okay, we'll call it x2 equals minus 1 minus root 6 all over 5. Okay, hopefully that makes sense.